All right?
You're
going to go to jail for 10 days right now. I'm going to have you tested by the probation department.
Okay, so
And then we'll decide what's going to happen.
I already failed a drug test. They already did a mental health assessment when I got out on the terms of the first time I went out. Or I got out when I first originally got out.
Ms. Coulter, you're disrupting this proceeding.
I promise you I'm trying not to be, I'm not trying to be like that.
Yeah,
but it's in black and white. It's right there.
All right.
I highlighted it. Then I identified within the first 3 lines.
I don't even know what you're talking about because it has nothing to do with what we're here for today.
The police officer that arrested me. It was wrongful arrest, and then I had 5 cops on me.
All right, you have an attorney.
I had 5 cops on me.
Ms. Coulter, you have an attorney.
I wasn't even I didn't even touch that girl. It was my only form of defense.
Take her into custody, put a cuff on her.
It was my only form of defense.
You're going to jail, and we're going to have you tested.
It was my only form.
I want you to
test me. You already did. So what?
Has she been drug tested today?
I'm not on fucking drugs today. I have a headache
That's
because
enough,
of a
Ms.
serial
Coulter.
killer. That's fucking, I don't even know where he's at.
Way back.
I gotta give him a shit.
Mr. Kirk, I think you need to file a request to have this defendant evaluated for mental health. I think
I need surgery so they don't get fucked with.
you want to help her.
I don't need to be in jail. No, I'm not fucking crazy. I swear to God. I'm not on fucking drugs like that. It's wrong. You're expecting these cops to be out here fucking doing this shit to people? When it's a conflict of interest, I want a new trial. It is. I swear to fucking God. I hate every fucking person in this fucking courtroom. That ain't a fucking judge. That ain't a fucking judge. Just because I pointed it out black and white.
Right? All right, this is case number 22 CR 130, State of Ohio versus Stevie Don Coulter. Present for the state is Assistant Prosecutor King. Present on behalf of the defendant is Attorney Dennis Kirk. Are you Stevie Don Coulter?
Yes.
Pardon me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you all right, Miss Coulter? I can't hear you. You have a really bad headache? Anything else wrong with you? All right. Well, we'll go ahead and have this pre-trial, but a couple of things I want to talk about after that. This was actually set for a hearing, I believe, for the defendant to enter in a plea for treatment in lieu of conviction, or at least have the hearing on that. I have a report from the probation department that she's been testing positive for gabapentin, marijuana, methamphetamine, and amphetamine. Hasn't reported since the 21st of September. Called on the 29th, said she didn't have a ride, wanted to be rescheduled. Has not contacted since then. Referred to Talbot House for an assessment. There's been no contact there they've had from Talbot.
I just have a question. Does it even test for gabapentin on a 10-panel drug test?
What's that now?
Does it test for a gabapentin on a 10-panel drug test?
Okay.
That's what
Ms. Talbot, or Miss...
Because someone said that to me in the PO's office, and I'm a very intelligent person, and I know a lot, and I just look stuff up all the time. And I mean, I can't, it's hard for me to plea in lieu of, honestly, because of the things that I found in this. That's like kind of like, I don't know.
Ms. Coulter, I'm going to have you drug tested here. Probation officer's here. I'm going to have them drug test you. See,
I've never been in trouble. No, I just got beat the shit out of by a dude who left a bite mark on my arm, and my head hurts now because of it. Like, I mean, he beat me up until I was literally talking retarded. And in this statement from the police, from this one, it says, then I identified female Stevie Coulter, not Stevie Coulter identified herself after her social security number. So he arrested me based off of...
Okay, well,
I've
that's
never
not what
met
we're
him
here about here
before.
today, Ms. Coulter. It's clear that that you're not in a
But they
situation...
lied also, though, Judge. They
You don't-
lied
and don't
about
interrupt me, Ms.
pulling her
Coulter.
hair and everything. I was denied access to the videos.
Ms. Coulter,
to
be
able to
quiet.
prove it wrong.
Be quiet. Don't speak.
Because they lied.
Be quiet, I said.
They lied.
I'm not lying. I said be quiet. Do you understand me?
They lied.
All right, I'm holding you in contempt, and you're going to be sentenced to jail for 10 days. Now,
Welcome to Law and Logic, the place where real cases meet clear understanding. In today's clip, we break down a real courtroom situation and explain what's actually happening from a legal perspective. Our goal is simple: to help you understand the logic behind the law without confusion, without bias. Whether it's a small claims dispute, a courtroom argument, or a judge's decision, we simplify it so anyone can follow along and learn something valuable. Balance scale, important disclaimer. This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide legal advice. All opinions shared are based on analysis and interpretation of publicly available content. If you enjoy learning about law in a simple and engaging way, make sure to follow Law and Logic for more insightful breakdowns. Let's get into the case.
And in this statement from the police, from this one, it says, then I identified female Stevie Coulter, not Stevie Coulter identified herself after her social security number. So he arrested me based off of...
okay, well,
I've
that's
never
not
met
what we're
him
here about here
before.
today, Ms. Coulter. It's clear that you're not in a
But they
situation...
lied also, though, Judge. They
You don't-
lied
and don't
about
interrupt me, Ms.
pulling her
Coulter.
hair and everything. I was denied access to the videos.
Ms. Coulter,
to
be
able to
quiet.
prove it wrong.
Be quiet. Don't speak.
Because they lied.
Be quiet, I said.
They lied.
I'm not lying. I said be quiet. Do you understand me?
They lied.
All right, I'm holding you in contempt, and you're going to be sentenced to jail for 10 days. Now, if you open up your mouth again, and you need to stay on topic here.
In this intense courtroom moment, a routine pretrial hearing quickly spirals out of control. The judge attempts to address serious concerns about the defendant's repeated failure to comply with probation requirements, including multiple positive drug tests and lack of communication with authorities. However, instead of cooperating, the defendant becomes increasingly disruptive, interrupting the judge, raising unrelated claims about a wrongful arrest, and refusing to stay on topic. Despite several warnings to remain quiet and respectful, she continues speaking over the court. The situation escalates rapidly. The judge, maintaining authority over the courtroom, holds her in contempt and sentences her to 10 days in jail. This moment highlights how critical courtroom behavior is. No matter the circumstances, failing to follow basic rules can lead to immediate consequences.